Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. You might have noticed that my videos are anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes long and sometimes just end abruptly. Well, that's because on the GoPro, when it saves a file and then continues, it sometimes puts it out of order. So lately I've been just, whatever segment is next in line is what I usually do. Well, you might notice that it's a little bit brighter over here because I changed the light bulb. I put a floodlight in, an LED floodlight. And you might have noticed this little guy. This I got last night, but unfortunately I did not record it. This is a Diamondback mountain bike. Almost looks brand new. There we go. Don't like the basket. That will have to go. But yeah, the only thing that's wrong with it is flat tires. Tires are in great shape, just flat. So, and as I was moving it, I noticed that on this side, I don't know if you guys probably can't see it, but I'll show it later, that it looks like it was dumped a couple times and it badly scratched the paint right up at this corner right here. But other than that, seems like a great bike. So I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to sell it. It is a Diamondback and it says Edgewood right up here on the tag. So, and it clearly states Diamondback on multiple areas of the bike. So and now there's a lot of stickers on it. Has a lock. Don't know the combination or what, but who knows if it actually works or not. It most likely does. It's a brand new bike and that looks like almost a brand new lock. I'm just not going to put it on because I don't know the combo. So anybody want to buy some ornaments for a tree? But yeah, I come in here to actually get this place straightened up a little bit. I want to get these big pieces of wood. You might have seen in a previous video where I was cleaning out that unit that had a whole bunch of this wood in there. Well, I brought some pieces for up there, and I'll take them up there later and work on that in the near future. But yeah, so, and I'm gonna put that shelf inside that unit, but it is a lot, well, the door is slightly opened, but it is a lot brighter in this section because the light is right above, but you can see everything on the shelf now. So, and this is the light bulb that came out from up there. It's an LED, but It's not that bright. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to move some of this stuff. That's the LED light bulbs that I put up there. I'm going to move some of this out of the way, and I'm going to bring this shelf out, and I'm going to add shelves to it, because pretty soon I'm going to be starting to transfer stuff over from the other unit to this unit. Unfortunately, we had to pay for another month's rent on the other unit, so we're back to being broke again. Every time we get ahead, we get behind again because something comes up. So might have that grill sold today. I had it up for $50 on Facebook Marketplace. The guy asked me if I would take $25 for it, and he would drive up here. I was like, the lowest I can go is $30. You know, he says he's coming. We'll see if he shows up before 1 o'clock, because I said it had to be picked up before 1 o'clock. So we'll see if he shows up. But yeah, that's the updated progress. I'll probably update you again when I get the shelves done, but I got to move all this stuff out of the way first. But that adventure starts now. But I got copper motors. I got tons of those. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go back into that area back there and start cleaning that out so I can get this wood along over there on that side of the stairs so I can get it out of my way. So, but yep. So I hope you all are having a good day. I got a lot of work to do. Let's see if we can get something done. So I'll see you in a bit. Well, actually, it's only 7 minutes and 42 seconds long, so I will take this until the 11-minute mark. So, what to do. So, another motor right there. So I was watching on YouTube last night to how to make a portable power hammer, which you guys will probably see that. I probably have enough metal in here to actually do something like that, but I'll make sure and then design it. But then I gotta find a motor that will actually be fast enough and small enough to turn the bitty little hammer into something worthwhile. So yeah, we're gonna have fun pretty soon. But there's the clothes that I got from that one. These are the lights that the gentleman who gave me the bike gave me. So I'll hang those up in areas. I'll probably hang one up. I'll probably make some kind of gadget to hold one of these lights and put it up there so I can have a light up there too. Hopefully I get all those shelves that he has in that unit, but we'll see what happens. He's changed his mind a few times now. So, and I got somebody who might be coming to get that circular saw. I had to try it to make sure it worked, so I need to wipe it down, clean it up. But I told them that I used it to make sure it worked, and it works great. So, but I got that listed up for $40. We'll see. He'll probably get up here and start lowballing me. But who knows? But maybe he'll be one of these good customers and just hand me the money, take the saw, and go. But yeah. But yeah, so I'll go ahead and end this video now since it's almost to the 11-minute mark. So, yeah, a lot of work to do. So I'm going to get started. So, as I always say, scrap it right, make that money. Peace. Later, Gators. GoPro, turn off. Yeah. Hate these commands. GoPro, stop recording.